Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you one really easy to make drink that is very popular in France, and now for the upcoming hot days I think it's a nice alternative to the more common options. This drink uses Picon, and I will speak more in detail about Picon in the future since there are a few different ones, but this one is Picon Biére. And you have also the Suze version, Suze beer, and different kind of Amaro that is specifically made to be used for beers. So if you buy a beer that is kind of lacking some flavor, or it's not as impressive as you initially thought, in my opinion the perfect candidate will be Heineken. That for me doesn't have a taste at all. But if you have a beer that you want to elevate and bring some bitterness and some additional flavors to it, Picon Biére is really nice. It's a Amaro type liquor, but it's based on oranges as well. So once you mix it with your beer, it gives a part of the bitterness really nice orangey flavors, which is really nice and refreshing, at least in my humble opinion. So let's not waste more time and start with the drink. Okay, now I have my opener, so let's start. First thing we're gonna need is we're gonna pour 1 ounce or 30 ml of Picon Biére in our glass of choice. It has the typical for Amaro cover. They tend to have this dark medicinal herbal cover. And we're gonna top it up with approximately 6 to 7 ounces, so roughly 180 to 210 ml of beer. I'm using white beer today. Yeah, I'm a little bit short, but should do the trick. And the recipe also says that you can garnish with an orange slice to highlight those orangey flavors. So let's give it a try. And as I said, it's really nice, really refreshing. What I like about this drink is that it doesn't increase the bitterness tremendously, but brings much more flavor. And these slightly bitter and herbal notes, and most dominantly the orange ones, makes this extremely fruity and how to say it? For me, sometimes if you tell people, okay, it's a Amaro based drink, they say, whoa, I don't like Amaro, it's too bitter, etc. But in this particular case, it definitely elevates everything up without overwhelming you with bitterness. So I definitely recommend it. I don't know how available Picon is. I think in the States, for various reasons, it's not widely available. But if you manage to get a bottle, I think Picon Biére also will do the trick. So just give it a try, and feel free to let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the drink. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.